This video will show you how to attach a proposal to an existing project at Tulane. So this might be something that has been in existence at Tulane for a while. Maybe there's multiple proposals attached to this project. So this will quickly show you how to create a proposal and search for the project to attach it to. So the first thing we'll do is when you log in, we're going to go to products, we're going to go to sponsored projects. Keep in mind we are using the test version of sponsored projects right now, so don't do your real attachment, don't do your real work in this instance. We have the real link listed below. So when you get here, when you go to start a new proposal, we'll start a new proposal, and this is the section where a lot of people may get caught up with. If this is brand new to Tulane and this has never been worked on before, you can click here and we can create a new project. A project, again, is something that goes above the proposal and award level. Every proposal and award will wrap up into one overarching project. If it's a new project, something, again, never done before at Tulane, we can start a new project and put a title here. And the title for the project would be, whatever you'd like it to be. We always like it to have something like the PI's last name and the sponsor followed by a little bit of the project title. But what we're going to talk about today is not this. What if you had a, maybe this is a renewal, or maybe this is a resubmission on something that you've already done at Tulane before. The way to do that is click on this bottom option. This proposal is related to existing product proposals or awards. We're going to add a proposal to a project. So all you do is we'll start typing out either the title, if you remember any of the words from the title of the proposal you did before, hopefully that'll find it. Maybe PI, there's just a few ways to search, but I think the best is for all of the old proposals we brought in, if you have a word in that proposal that may have stood out, maybe that can help. So I'm just going to search for diabetes, for example. And, I've got a few options here. These are all the diabetes proposals. Maybe I knew the one I wanted exactly to attach it to. Let's just say I was the PI and I'm working on this one right here. It also shows the project number. This is the 23-8329 that follows every one of our projects. So you would pick an existing proposal and click one of those and add new proposal to project. When you do that, it'll bring you to the normal screen here that you would fill out your proposal with. And just to show you what happens, I'm going to go either by going over here on the right to the project number or up here to this project. It'll take you to the same place. It'll show the project level of everything. So this would be, we're looking at every proposal ever done for this project. We've got one proposal here that was submitted to sponsor. And, maybe if this one was funded, went through its 5-year course, maybe a renewal was done, and this would be the second proposal. So you could have multiple proposals built within this project. And we'd also have awards if any awards are attached to it as well. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to do a proposal that you're continuing that needs to be added to an existing project, just make sure you get the search features right whenever you do that. And one thing I'll note is, let me go back and go back to sponsored projects and do another one, just so you know. If you're trying to find something, let's try to type for another term here. If you're trying to find something and it's not showing up here, but you're absolutely sure it should be here, you may not have the proper privileges to view all of these proposals. So you may be in one department where you're able to see the proposals, but if you're trying to add something to another department's proposals that you wouldn't normally have access to, you won't be able to search and find it. It's only going to search for proposals that you have permissions to search for. Again, if you're the PI, you should be able to find your own proposals here just fine. But if you're an administrator in a department, you might need, it may not show up immediately or it may not show up here. But if you're sure that you can't find it, but it does exist, just reach out to us at Sponsored Projects and let us know. And we'll see if we can find the old project for you to make sure they're attached properly. But yeah, we definitely want to make sure we can group all of our projects together. It helps track all of our proposals in the long run. Again, any questions, let us know. We'll be glad to help. Thanks.